we're going to be talking about recursion. And this isn't really a hard topic to grasp because even Google makes it self-explanatory. Well, recursion is just when a function calls itself again and again until your computer goes, unless you stop it with a condition. So the example we're going to be going with here is a common one. If you give a function a number, it will return the number of summations up to 0. Example, if you give it a 5, it will return 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So I'll call this function summtorial, and it will take in an argument n. Let this function just return itself or subtract 1 from n. Did you see what I did there? This is going to call itself again and again until my laptop RAM is full. To complete this line, I'll just add a plus n there. Now we need a way to stop this function from calling itself infinitely. So we do if n equals to 1, return n. And if statements like this are required in all your recursion functions. Now we can call this function and print the result, and as you can see, the answer is correct. I really hope you understood this concept, so do well to like and subscribe.